Imagine having an AI assistant like Jarvis from Iron Man, always ready to help you in real time, whether you're repotting a plant or learning a complex software like Blender. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's here right now, and best of all, it's completely free. In this video, I'm diving deep into Google AI Studio's real-time assistant, a tool that watches your screen or uses your camera to give personalized tips and feedback on the fly. I'll walk you through what it excels at, where it falls short, and how it can transform the way you work and learn. Plus, I'll show you another AI tool that lets you build web apps from scratch without coding. Let's start with a real-life demo. I tried this tool using my phone to check on a plant. I asked, "How does this plant look?" Instantly, AI Studio analyzed the image and pointed out drooping and yellowing leaves, suggesting it might need to be repotted. When I asked for help repotting, it guided me step by step, recognizing the potting mix and the plant type, the peace lily, and even suggesting adding perlite for better drainage. What blew me away? I didn't explain anything to the AI. It read and understood both the bag label and the plant type from what it saw. The vision capabilities here are nothing short of magical. Imagine using this for DIY projects, cooking, fixing gadgets, and so much more. Next, let's discuss another tool that feels like having your own AI-powered software engineer. It's called Hosting Horizons, today's video sponsor. I wanted a workout tracker, something simple, free of clutter, and customized to my needs. So, I just described what I wanted. Build a workout tracker where I can track weights, representatives, include a rest timer, and add notes. In about a minute, it built the first version. I tested it, made tweaks, and got updates back in seconds. After a few refinements, I deployed my fully functional app, no coding, no hiring developers, no complicated tools. Hosting Horizons makes deploying apps stupidly easy, and because it's all in one, I can manage my hosting, domain, and email in one dashboard. Want to try it? There's a 30-day money-back guarantee, and with code Futuropedia, you get 10% off, link in description. Now, let's get back to Google AI Studio, this time on a computer. One of my favorite use cases? Learning new software. For instance, I used Blender for the first time ever. I wanted to build a simple house model. Here's how it went. I asked, "Can you help me build a house?" It told me how to scale the default cube into a rectangle. Then, how to extrude the top face to make a roof. When I struggled with moving it onto the grid, it taught me how to grab and move objects on the Z-axis. And when I wanted a proper roof, it showed me how to merge edges into a peak. By the end, I had a basic 3D house model, all with AI guidance. Pro tip, it's great for quick help and reminders, but for learning something like Blender deeply, pair it with tutorials or courses, and use AI Studio as a real-time problem solver. Another great example, Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's say you're editing a video and want to improve the audio. I asked, "How do I make this sound better?" It walked me through using a denoiser, a multiband compressor, and a parametric equalizer, even suggesting presets like vocal enhancer. Instead of hunting through YouTube or documentation, I got answers instantly. Now, as awesome as this tool is, it's not perfect. Occasionally, it gives wrong steps or misunderstands what you want, which can be frustrating. But when it works, it feels like magic, a huge productivity boost. As these tools improve, they'll become essential for learning, creating, and problem solving. And if you want to get ahead in AI, Futuropedia has 20+ AI courses, all linked below. So, whether you're a student, creative, or professional, I think this kind of AI assistant will be life-changing. If you've tried AI Studio or Hosting Horizons, please let me know in the comments what you built or learned. And if you like this, refer to my next video on 13 AI tools that can save you 1,000 hours this year, linked right here.